Hi there! Welcome to another help video. In this video, we will be going over the Browse Server and Plugins Manager sections under the Settings tab. So let's begin. First, let's start with Browse Server. The Browse Server tool grants you direct access to your file browser or the server space for your website. It provides an easy way of managing what is uploaded on your site's server space as well as uploading new files. Here, we recommend uploading new subfolders to make it nice and organized for your website. It is very important to use simple file and folder names with no special characters when using the server. Next, let's go into the Plugin Manager. The Plugin Manager tool is where all of your plugins on your sites will appear. These are the additional settings for your website, and you can enable or disable certain plugins of your choice. Let's go over all the different plugins that we have listed. First is Google Analytics, which is a plugin that allows Google Analytics to track page stats for your website. This plugin is set up by the Envisionwise or LinkedUpRadio team. Turning off this plugin will stop the tracking of the stats for your website, so it's recommended to keep this plug on. Next is the Shadowbox, which is a web-based media viewer application that supports all of our web's most popular media publishing formats. This affects a photo gallery page on your websites when the plugin is turned on. I'm going to go to our photo gallery page. When you click a photo, this right here is the Shadowbox. When you disable it, a Shadowbox does not appear. Next is the Share This plugin. This plugin enables or disables the ability to add the Share This button stack item to your pages. The buttons provided in these stack items will allow you and your users to share the pages on your social media sites like Facebook, depending on where the items are set up. So for example, when you go to the website, I'm going to go to one of our jock pages. If you scroll down and you see a blog post, as you can see here, you have the Share This buttons. Next is Facebook, which is a plugin that enables or disables the ability for users to leave Facebook comments on blog posts. While this plugin is on, there will be an option when creating or managing blog posts where you can turn on or off Facebook comments for that post. These next three plugins are add-on features that you pay an additional fee for. This plugin enables or disables a pop-up, push-down banner, or corner peel right ad on your homepage of your website. And finally, these last two plugins are for legacy-only websites, which we are currently phasing out, so don't worry about that. And as always, when you make any changes, remember to click the Update Plugin button. And that wraps up this video. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to visit our Help Center or contact customer support. Thanks for watching. Be sure to check out our other help videos, and we'll see you next time.